Hi everybody! My instructional design plan is for a workshop that would be held in person at the public library where I work. So there's this neat project through UC Riverside called the California Digital Newspaper Collection, and their goal is to preserve and provide access to both historical and contemporary newspapers. Through a generous donation and the participation of the current local newspaper owners, we've been able to digitize all 7 of our newspapers, ranging from the very first issue in 1887 up through 2013, with another year's worth of issues being added every year. The best part is that the newspapers have been OCR'd and are word searchable. But, of course, the usefulness of a search depends on the skill of the searcher. So the workshop I am proposing will not only be an introduction to the California Digital Newspaper Collection, or CDNC, and the services it offers, such as clipping and printing articles, but it will have a focus on how to use the search options available on the CDNC search page, and how to use the search strategies that most of us probably take for granted, such as quotation marks and Boolean operators. By the end of the hour-long workshop, learners should be able to find the CDNC online, navigate comfortably through the website's interface to find our local papers, manipulate their searches and the results to find exactly what they're looking for, clip, save, and print articles, and even submit OCR corrections if they're inclined to contribute to the website. So here you can see the CDNC's homepage, and it's easy to get to our local papers by going to San Diego County, and we're all these Coronado papers here. And our first newspaper was the Mercury in 1887, and our current newspaper is the Eagle and Journal. You can sort them by year, month, day. It's pretty awesome. And you can search, but as you can see, just a regular search splits up the words, makes it hard to find what you're looking for, and by using quotation marks you get exactly what you need. And you can see that there's mistakes here, like it says recommended instead of recommended, but clearly it says recommended in the article. So if you have an account, you can submit changes to the OCR and make the website even better. So our workshops are held in our conference room, which seats 12 people, and so the workshops will be small enough for each learner to get individual attention from the instructor. Learners will be advised to bring a laptop to explore the CDNC along with the instructor, who will be displaying their own laptop screen through a much bigger television screen. Anybody who doesn't have a laptop can practice what they've learned in the library's computer lab after the workshop, and they will be able to ask a librarian for help if they get stuck on something. I will create a worksheet of practice searches for learners to perform at the end of the workshop to test their ability to effectively use the CDNC, and I will also create a cheat sheet of search tips and reminders that they can take home to reference during their research. Alright, I think that about sums it up, and for more information you can read my instructional design plan.